Hi guys, it's Suzanne from BargainsLA, and I'm at the Zodax warehouse sale, and they're setting up all their holiday product that they're selling direct to the public at 60 to 90% off. I mean, look at this. You've got hand-blown glass, painted gold candlesticks. Those are $15. Those would run you about $35 to $45 in store. And then look at this gorgeous one. This is it's kind of a topaz-y color. Look at that. That's $32, and I know that would run near $80 in stores. We've got tabletop candles from $5 to $10. Okay, we've got little Christmas tree decorations and gift vases and barware, all at 60 to 90% off. This is the Zodax warehouse sale, and it is perfect for holiday decorating. I mean, look at this. Look at this topiary. This would run $600 in stores. It's $100 here, and they do have a lot more of them. And you've got small gift items. You've got little star ornaments. That's only like $7. All right? This is the Zodax warehouse sale, and it's this Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And you want to come down here if you're entertaining at all over the holidays.